Hello guys, mag-ano tayo ng lights install. Kaya lang, you could not see kung paano ito ma-install, not unless meron siyang wire na ilalagay natin. And so, I'm looking for the wires. So, this wire that has, come here baby, andito ako sa basement. And so, this one, it has positive and negative. So, the black is always the negative. The color, the white one is the positive. Oh, come here, I'll kiss you. And then this one in the middle is the ground. Okay? So, kaya wala tayong pag ganito, wala tayong pangsaksakan. So, I'm going to find something that merong saksakan. Ito ang extension wire. Kaya, ito siya. Meron siyang plug. So, let's gonna cut this off. Para maging, siya, anak, you're disturbing mommy. Your drama, honey. Okay. And so, we're going to cut this one. Kasi, para ilalagay natin dito. So, I'm teaching you guys how to put the lights on together. Kahit from scratch siya. Kasi wala siyang wala siyang pangsaksakan talaga. So, ayan. Kasi wala dito. Ito lang ang dapat. Kaya lang puputulin natin to. So, puputulin natin. Kuha tayo ng pangputol. Where's the scissor here, honey? Oh, here's the scissor. Putulin natin.
That is a big turtle.
It is very big. Ayan. Tapos, ito na siya. Wait. Nilagyan ko ng mark para sa positive is ito. Sa negative is dito. Paano natin malalaman naging positive or negative? So, let's take the length. Ito. Kasi, usually, dito sa US, meron siyang malaki at saka maliit. So, it's wider and longer. This is slimmer and shorter. So, the slimmer and shorter is the positive one. The wider and the longer is the negative one. So, ayan. So, inaano ko pa to. We'll see. Dapat talaga, tugma kasi mag-ground yun at saka masunog tayo. So, here we go. Ayan. So, ito si positive at saka ito si negative. So, ayan. Paano natin ma-i-connect is to connect this all together. This light. So, ayan. Gagamitin natin ang yellow at saka orange. So, ilalagay ko ng negative si orange at saka si yellow ang positive. So, let's do this. Ganito ko pala siya. Iti-twist lang natin. So, yan. Naka-twist na siya. And then, next is the excuse me. I'm so tired kasi 14 hours ako mag-work everyday. Tapos sa bahay, tapos magluluto, tapos yung bata, super busy. Ayan. At saka ilalagay natin ito. This is the positive. Remember, yellow is the positive. So, i-tight natin siya. Okay na to. And then, si negative. So, ayan. Okay. Okay na to. So, si ground, hindi na natin itatouch kasi walang ilalagay natin si ground down. Kasi this is usually for the ground. So, yan. Si positive at saka negative, nagtugmak na sila. So, ipo-plug na natin pag okay ba siya. Oh, dito nga plug. hindi ma-on. Ayan, ano ba to? Failed. I'm joking. Dito tayo sa kabila. Kasi mayroong Guys, hindi pa tapos ang kitchen namin sa baba. This is our basement. So, ayan. Ayan, nagwo-work na siya. Ayan, ready to install na kasi meron na siyang ganito. So, i-install na natin. Meron na akong lights. Sa storage namin. Kasi I need lights for our storage up there. Kasi walang lights doon. So, we're still working here. It's a lot of work kasi busy si Joa sa other houses. Kaya wala kaming time. So I don't have to rely on him for everything. Kahit paggawa ng lights, paggawa ng ng like water faucet, masisira. Ako lang talaga lahat kasi I don't wanna rely on him. At saka marunong din naman ako since I was in the Philippines. Magfi-fix pa nga ako ng kahit ano-ano, like electric fan. Pag sira yung electric fan namin, alam mo yung pangkabuhayan sa Pinas, you have to do it. At saka especially dito sa US, you have to do everything. Kasi wala kang marirely talaga to somebody. Hindi mo pwedeng mabayaran ng 300 pesos lang. Unlike sa Philippines. Dito, you have to do it. You know, DIY. Ayan, let's do this. Ayan na guys. So, ready na natin ilalagay ito. Ayan na guys, may lights na kami sa storage namin. Ayan.